Good evening. Okay, I want us to have the basic introduction of the Jupyter notebook that I'll be using.
I would like to start showing us how to open our the anaconda as open. So from there, you can scroll down. So you have to click on launch and we start opening. Actually, I've opened the one I'm using. So that's how to open a Jupyter notebook.
Actually, I'm still showing us the review of our cost for this period of time. And also, the Jupyter notebook we're going to be working with is so rich in mathematics, plotting of graph, plotting of any of the graph that we have, rich in media, also rich in text, and executing of codes, any code you want to write, and also to install of our libraries. They are very straightforward. And each block in the Jupyter notebook is called a cell. What we mean by that is each of these is a cell. Where my cursor is showing is a cell. Also, this one is a cell. This one is a cell. So throughout this period, we'll be working with Jupyter notebook. We'll be dealing with different cells and so on. And you can go through all these notes your own and read it. And likewise, I want us to just see the useful command that is necessary in Jupyter notebook. The first one is save notebook. When you open a notebook, you need to save it. We can also use a shortcut which is escape plus S. Likewise, we can use our normal menu tools whereby we go to the top and look for our file and click on what save as. You click on save as, and so the second one talk of create a new cell. When you are creating a new cell, you have an shortcut which is escape, which is going to go up for creating a new cell, and which is escape plus A. Likewise, escape plus B is below, and I will try to do that for us. Let us see this kind of example. Likewise, you can just press only A. I'm pressing only A, and it's going to give me what a cell at the top. And if I press B, it's going to give me what a cell at the down part of a cell. So that's how you walk around with it. So as you are saying, run. Also, you go up to the top menu of the Jupyter notebook and click on run, and it's going to work. Likewise, we have copy. Copy. Okay, let me show us an example of this. Okay, run. I click on run. It's going to ask for what, enter your username, which is let me just type the number because this one is not for a what, 25. Enter. That's how our runs work. And if you are talking of copy, you will use control. You use C to copy. Likewise, you use V to copy, as well as we used to do it normally. That's how we are going to go about that. Find and replace on your code. You use escape plus F, and margin a multiple cell, shift plus M. Also, if you want to delete you delete a cell, you press D twice, and in menu tools you go up, click on menu, and you look forward delete cell. You can see it here. Likewise, if you want to change from a cell of code to a markdown text, if you want to write a text, you want to type like what is here, this, just open a cell. Okay, now this is a cell which has been opened. You click out of the cell, it's going to change to blue, and you press M. That's when you can write anything you type, whatever you want to type. And we have some normal HTML sign that we use, or syntax that we use, whereby you can use H to write it what, sorry, you can use a hash sign to write a topic, a subtopic of whatever you want to do. So that's that one. And also we still have some other HTML signs or syntax that we need. So you can Google that and go through it. And also let's scroll down and see. Okay, we'll talk of how we make use of our Jupyter notebook with the shortcuts and everything. The other thing I'll be talking about here is how to work with Python, like the introduction of Python. This introduction of Python in quantum computing workshop is going to be grouped into two. We have part one and part two, and I want us to just work together in that area.